Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth's magnetic field flipped? This isn't a hypothetical from a science fiction novel, but a real, fascinating phenomenon that has happened before in our planet's long history. It's a topic that's as exciting as it is complex, intertwining the mysteries of the cosmos with the realities of our world. So, let's unfurl the enigma. Let's step into the intricate world of Earth's magnetic field. Let's dive into this fascinating topic and explore the intricate world of Earth's magnetic field. Buckle up for an enlightening journey. To understand what a flip means, we first need to comprehend what Earth's magnetic field is and why it's so important. So let's dive in. The Earth's magnetic field, also known as the geomagnetic field, is like an invisible force field wrapping our planet. This field is generated by the churning movements of the Earth's liquid outer core, composed mainly of iron and nickel. As these metals move and flow, they generate electrical currents, which in turn produce our planet's magnetic field. Imagine our Earth as a giant bar magnet, with a north and south pole. This magnetic field extends from the Earth's interior into space, where it meets the solar wind, a stream of charged particles emanating from the sun. Now, you may be wondering, why is this magnetic field so important? Well, it plays a crucial role in protecting our planet. Without it, the solar winds would strip away the ozone layer, our primary defense against harmful ultraviolet radiation. This could lead to an increase in skin cancer rates, among other health and environmental issues. Additionally, our magnetic field shields us from cosmic radiation, high-energy particles from the sun and beyond our solar system. These particles can damage satellites, disrupt communications, and even pose a risk to astronauts in space. But it's not just about protection. The magnetic field also contributes to our everyday life in more subtle ways. For instance, migratory animals like birds, sea turtles, and salmon use the Earth's magnetic field for navigation. Even our compasses rely on this field to point us in the right direction. So, without our magnetic field, life as we know it would be quite different. It's a silent guardian, an unseen hero, always working in the background to keep our planet safe and livable. This crucial shield, born from the heart of our planet, is a testament to the marvels of nature and the intricate balance that allows life on Earth to thrive. So, without our magnetic field, life as we know it would be quite different. Now that we understand the significance of Earth's magnetic field, what exactly do we mean when we talk about it flipping? Well, this doesn't mean that one day you'll wake up and your compass will be pointing south instead of north. The concept is far more fascinating and complex. Let's delve into the phenomenon known as geomagnetic reversals. This is a process where the Earth's magnetic north and south poles switch places. Yes, you heard that right. The magnetic north pole becomes the south, and vice versa. But how does this happen? Well, the Earth's magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron and nickel in its outer core. This movement creates electric currents, which in turn produce the magnetic field. Sometimes, possibly due to changes in this flow, the field weakens, and the magnetic poles start to drift. Eventually, they can end up switching places entirely. One might wonder, has this ever happened before? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, this flip-flop of the poles has occurred numerous times in Earth's history. How do we know this? The answer lies in rocks. When molten rock cools and solidifies, tiny magnetic minerals within it align themselves with the Earth's magnetic field. These minerals serve as a permanent record of the field's direction at the time the rock formed. By studying these patterns in rocks of different ages, scientists have discovered that our planet's magnetic field has flipped hundreds of times over the past 3 billion years. The most recent of these reversals, called the Brune-Matsuyama reversal, occurred approximately 780,000 years ago. So, it's safe to say that we're due for another flip, though we can't predict exactly when. But before you start worrying, remember this: a geomagnetic reversal isn't a sudden cataclysmic event. It's a slow process that can take thousands of years, not an overnight flip like turning a switch. It's time to answer our initial question. What would happen if Earth's magnetic field flipped? Well, the flip itself would probably go unnoticed by most of us. It's a slow process taking thousands of years. However, the aftermath of a flip could be quite significant. Imagine a world where your GPS leads you astray. Your compass points south instead of north, and migratory birds suddenly find themselves lost. One of the most immediate effects would be increased exposure to cosmic radiation. Our magnetic field acts as a protective shield, deflecting most of the sun's harmful solar winds. But during a flip, this shield would weaken, allowing more radiation to reach us. This could cause a spike in cancer rates and even affect our DNA. Then there's the impact on our animal friends. Many species, like sea turtles and migratory birds, use the Earth's magnetic field for navigation. A flip could confuse these creatures, disrupting their migratory patterns and potentially leading to population declines. Finally, consider our technology. Satellites, power grids, and communication systems all rely on the Earth's magnetic field. A flip could cause major disruptions, leading to blackouts and communication breakdowns. So, would a magnetic flip spell the end of the world? Not likely, but it would certainly change our world as we know it. While the effects may sound alarming, remember that these flips have happened before and life on Earth has persisted. We've journeyed through the intricacies of Earth's magnetic field and pondered on the effects of its flip. We started by demystifying the concept of Earth's magnetic field, an invisible force that not only guides our compasses but also shields us from harmful solar radiation. We then delved into the flip phenomenon, a process that happens over thousands of years. Historical records embedded in rocks revealed that our planet has experienced multiple flips, the last one happening about 780,000 years ago. We also speculated on the possible aftermath of such a flip. While it might lead to a beautiful spectacle of auroras at unexpected places, it could also cause disruptions to our satellite-based technologies and expose us to increased solar radiation. So, while a flip in Earth's magnetic field is an intriguing concept, it's not an immediate concern, but it's always fascinating to understand the world we live in, isn't it? Let us know in the comments below, and if you want to watch more of our amazing videos, then stay tuned.